going to study the role of thermal condition to improve indoor environment. Clear? So first of all, what is thermal condition in indoor environment quality? First of all, indoor environment quality refer to the quality of building environment in relation to health and well-being of those who occupy space within it. Indoor environment quality is determined by many factors including lighting, air quality and thermal condition and etc. So come to the principle of heat transfer. Heat always moves from warmer place to a cooler place. First. Second is hot object in a cooler room will cool to room temperature. Cold subject in warmer room will heat up room temperature. Clear? The first principle is heat is always moves from warmer place to a cooler place. So heat is, heat is a form of energy associated with motion of atoms or molecules and is capable of being transmitted through solids, fluid media by conditions. Through fluids media, convections, and through empty spaces is called radiation. Let's discuss all these things in a more details. So it is measured in general energy and its unit is joules. So what is heat energy tend to distribute itself evenly unit in perfectly diffused uniform thermal field is achieved. It tend to flow from high temperature to lower temperature zones by any or all of the following ways. These are the conduction, convection and radiations. The motive force of heat flow in any of these form is the temperature difference between the two spaces or area considered. The greater the temperature difference is, the faster the rate of heat flow. The rate heat flow is measured in watt and most practical application multiples is kilowatt. Used 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt. Then what is conduction? Heat transfer of heat through a fluid caused by molecular motion is called convection. And heat transfer of heat from one substance to another substance due to direct contact is called conductions. And what is radiation? Energy that is radiated or transmitted in the form of rays or waves or particles is called radiations. So these are another example of convection, conduction and radiations so that we can understand it in a better way. So let us understand the heat exchange process in building. Just like the human body, the building can also be considered as a defined unit and its heat exchange process with outdoor environment can be examined. First, Q. Heat output from human bodies, lamp, motor and appliances. Let the example and Q2 is heat effect from solar radiations on opaque surfaces through transparent surface window can be considered separately. Conductions of wall may occurs through the wall either inwards or onward denoted by Q. These are the other things which can be explained. How the heat transfers, heat exchange process and buildings can done. The cooler air enters from the rooms and warmer air always flows from the uh, this in this way like upperward sides. Mhm. Heat exchange in either directions may place is the moment of ventilations. Okay. If evaporation takes place on the surface of building like roof pools or within the buildings, human sweats or sweats in fountains, vapor is removed. The product it products a cooling effect. Like the thermal balance, the existing thermal condition is maintained. These read these slides very carefully and pause here for a minute and read it very carefully to for a better understanding of heat exchange process in building. Read it very carefully to understand the heat exchange process in building. So let's understand the heat exchange process in any buildings through 3D forms. The red colors arrows are denoted heated en- heated energy, and blue colors arrows shows a cooler or fresh airs. These are the heat exchange process of any buildings. For now, this is all about heat exchange process in buildings. Or so this is all about principle of thermals conditions and role of thermal conditions to improve indoor air quality. After studying these, we can have a better understandings of placing of windows and ventilators indoors and from where heat exchange process and thermal balance of rooms are maintained. And thank you.